Future dietitian? Me too. Let's go over the USDA endpoint and the FDA food code temperatures. The temperature danger zone is between 40 and 140 degrees. The following should be cooked to an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit: beef, pork, lamb, veal, and fish. The next following items should be cooked to an internal temperature of 155 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit: ground beef, veal, and lamb, and egg dishes. The next items must be cooked to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit: poultry, ground poultry, and leftovers. Frozen food must be held between -10 and 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Cold food must be held below 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot holding, above 140 degrees. Hot transporting, 165 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. The two-step cooling process takes a total of 6 hours. 2 hours for the food to go from 135 degrees to 70 degrees, and 4 hours for the food to go from 70 degrees to 41 degrees Fahrenheit.